What are the most popular question asked in appraisal discussion? This is exactly what helps you own your appraisal instead of just responding to it. Okay, so number one, performance and achievements. These are almost guaranteed questions, that you will get from your supervisor. Okay, what were your key achievements this year? बहुत बेसिक और स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन है. Which targets did you meet or exceed? Can you share specific examples of your contributions? What challenges did you face and how did you handle them? What are your most proud moments? Tip to answer this question is always answer with data plus impact. Numbers, results, outcomes, these will justify your responses, your answers. Okay? होता क्या है कि ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जहाँ पे you have to be specific. Number 2, strengths and improvements. Common. Managers assess self-awareness here. They want to assess the self-awareness of yours, right? What are your key strengths? What areas do you think you need improvement in? What feedback have you received from others? He is also knowing that. What would you do differently if given another chance? These are all situational behavioral task questions. Tip to answer this question is be honest but strategic. Never say I have no weaknesses. Everybody has a scope of improvement. Instead of say weakness, say that I have XYZ scope of improvement. If you have only one, then say one. But say it, right? That will show your transparency and your transparent image to your supervisor. Okay? See, situational behavior जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनसे वो ये गेज करता है कि आप कितने सेल्फ अवेयर हो, राइट? आप कितने सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट हो. ओके. नंबर 3, goal setting and future planning. This shows your vision. What are your goals for next year? Where do you see yourself in the next 2 to 3 years? ये क्वेश्चंस आपके नॉर्मली इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं. ओके. What new skills do you want to learn? Cross functional. How do you plan to improve your performance? अगर वो आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा है इसका मतलब there is something wrong. Okay. Anyways, tip to answer these questions is align your goals with company objectives. Number 4, role and responsibility clarity. This is related to right allocation of job. Understanding your ownership. Do you feel your role is clearly defined? Are you satisfied with your current responsibilities? Do you think your workload is manageable? Are these areas where you want more responsibilities? Okay. Very important question for your own self growth. So please prepare well to answer these questions. Number 5, teamwork and behavior. It covers collaboration and attitude. How do you handle conflicts in the team? Conflict management. How do you contribute to team success? Teamwork. How do you manage pressure or deadlines? How would your colleagues describe you? Okay. Very important to answer these questions. Number 6, managers and organization feedback. Many people hesitate here, but it's very, very important. Okay. Do you have any feedback for your manager? This refers to a skip level meeting also. What support do you need from the organization? Are there any challenges affecting your performance? यहाँ पे आपको चुप नहीं रहना है. अगर आप चुप रहेंगे तो आप अपना नुकसान करेंगे. ठीक है. जो सच है, जो आप फील करते हो, उसको आप प्लीज़ बोलिए. ओके. बिकॉज यही एक राइट टाइम है जब आप खुल के अपने बारे में अपने विचार आप क्या सोचते हैं वो आप शेयर कर सकते हो अपने सुपरवाइजर के साथ में. वो आपके साथ दोबारा इतनी डिटेल में कभी बैठे ना बैठे बट साल में एक बार ज़रूर बैठता है जब वो अप्रेजल का टाइम होता है. तो इसलिए जो आपके दिल में है, सच और झूठ सब आप शेयर करिए. बी ट्रांसपेरेंट अबाउट योर सेल्फ. ओके. टिप टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इज बी प्रोफेशनल नॉट इमोशनल. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, जो आपको लगता है सही वो आप बोलिए, इमोशनल मत होइए कि अगर मैंने उसके बारे में, एक्स के बारे में कुछ बोला तो वो बुरा मान जाएगा, मेरा बॉस उससे पूछेगा तो वो बुरा मान जाएगा. नहीं, बी सेल्फिश अबाउट योर सेल्फ. नंबर 7, कॉम्पेंसेशन एंड प्रमोशन, इनडायरेक्ट और डायरेक्ट. समटाइम्स आस्क्ड डायरेक्टली, समटाइम्स नॉट. डू यू फील यू आर फेयरली कॉम्पेंसेटेड? What are your expectations from this appraisal? What do you think you deserve a promotion? Tip to answer this, justify with value, not need. अब नीड तो सबको होती है, तो आप अपनी वैल्यू दिखाइए कि मेरी वैल्यू क्या है. ओके. अच्छा अप्रेजल अपने आप आएगा आपके पास. नंबर 8, ओनरशिप क्वेश्चन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. This is where smart professionals stand out. Why should we retain you? What unique value do you bring to the team? Now, this is your selling moment. बॉस, आप तो रामायण पढ़ दो पूरी अपने बारे में. Okay? Very important. Now, there is a pro insight, very important to it. Most employees react in appraisal. Top performers prepare answers in advance, maintain a year-long achievement record, speak in terms of business impact. अगर आप ये सब कर रहे हैं तो you fall in the category of top performer. अगर नहीं तो my dear friend, there is something wrong. मैंने अपनी पुरानी वीडियोस में भी कुछ इसके बारे में बात की हमेशा कि आपको प्रिपरेशन करके जाना चाहिए अप्रेजल में. Don't take it lightly. This is the most important part of your professional career journey. Every year. Okay? आप ये नहीं कहेंगे कि मैं L1 हूँ. आप जब सेल्फ रेटिंग देते हैं तो उसमें अपने आप को L1 दे दिया, मान लो आपने. L1 तो सब देते हैं. मैं कहता हूँ आप L2 दो, अपने आप को L3 दो. Let your supervisor say, no, in my view, you are L1, not L3, not L2. अपने आप को इतना इंपॉर्टेंट बनाओ कि रेटिंग अपने आप आपके पीछे भाग के आए. आपके सुपरवाइजर अपने आप बोले, नो, अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार, यू आर L1, आप L3 कैसे दे सकते हो? ओके, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है.